Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I've got a really exciting hair system reveal. This is a custom system that Lavivid have made, and it is a highlighted system, but it is just so beautiful. So it is a colour number 5 base rooted highlight with colour number 22, and it is just, honestly think this is the most beautiful system I've ever seen. So the hair is straight hair, and it is a base mixed of poly, lace and mono. It's very durable, and look at them colours, they're just so beautiful. So there's a picture of the base. As you can see, it has them teeth in the front to give it a bit more security, and you can see that PU around the edge, and of course the middle is mono, which gives it a really strong base. And this is just a overview of the hairline. As you can see, I ask for the knots not to be bleached. I just prefer it that way myself. But look at them colours, aren't they just beautiful? And the way that they've blended the highlights together, it's a work of art. So I will come back to you once I have put this system on. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fit this custom made system from Lavivid. It is such a beautiful system, it's highlighted. So first off, I cut the lace. I do this by putting the excess lace over my finger, as you can see, and holding the excess lace as well, and cutting as close to that hairline as I can possibly get. There is a mark line on the underside of hairlines on lace systems as a guide of where to cut, but I like to do it right to the edge of where the hair is sewn to, knotted to. I think it gives a more natural effect when you glue it. I'm going to tape this system, so I start off with the side, the straightest part, and I will literally just grab the tape and place it along as close as I can to the edge. I actually take this piece off and do it again because I didn't get it quite to the edge, but you get the idea. And then I do the same, overlapping all the way around. I've got detailed videos on my channel of how I do this. And then I tape the front. The front, I take the backing of the tape off. Just because of the way that I fit the system, it makes more sense. I can glue the front straight away, tape down the front straight away, and then I can remove the backing of the tape that's on the back of the system later on, and you'll see how I do that. So I just do the same. I overlap each piece. I do this is 1 inch tape in thickness, so I like to do 2 layers so it gives a good support at the front. So I mark out where I want the hairline to go. I do this by raising my eyebrows and showing off my horrible wrinkles. But I do this as a guide, and I've just kind of learnt this over the years as to where I like it. I do it mostly by sight. I know it doesn't necessarily look straight by now, but all I need is that middle point to really show me exactly where I want the middle of the system to go, how low down I want it to go. And so I place down the system using that center mark as a mark as how low I want it, and then I kind of make sure that I've got it in the right place. Like you can see, I kind of move it slightly. There's not much movement you can do. You might have to just redo it if it's just really not in the right place. And yes, I'm just making sure that it's exactly fitting, which it is. And then I do the same on the back. So I just pull the system forward all over my eyes so I can't see what I'm doing. And I take off that backing. And then, as you'll see in a minute, I pull it quite tight when I push it down. I find that it gives a good stick, and it kind of gives you a bit of a lifted appearance in your face. I quite like that. All them horrible lines I just showed you, they go. And then I just use my fingers to kind of squish down the system, I guess, but it's kind of just to push down the system and the scalp into the tape so it's all nicely stuck. And then I do my front hairline. As I've shown you before, I always do my front hairline with glue. It's just the most natural. And this is how it turned out after I had it cut. Back to Spiky Mikey. I really love it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Lavivid for this beautiful system.